Hey, this is Copper Cover, and today we're taking a look at something a little different from Lumary. This is their smart Wi-Fi wall outlet. Right now, a single outlet sells for about $28 or about $90 for a pack of 4. Now, instead of having a bulky smart plug sticking out of your wall, this actually replaces your existing outlet and gives you 2 standard plugs along with the 2 USB ports built right into it. That's a USB-A and a USB-C, which is honestly phenomenal these days. But of course, the big feature here is the smart functionality. You can connect it to the Lumary app over Wi-Fi and control each outlet individually, set timers, schedule, and even control it with Alexa or Google Assistant, which is really nice. And you don't need any kind of separate smart home hub. You just plug it in and it works. It supports up to 15 amps and 1875 watts total, and it has things like tamper resistance, overload protection built in, which is awesome. This thing was honestly pretty easy to install. Just make sure you turn off the power before you do it. The instructions that are provided in the manual are real simple. There are just 3 little cords that you plug in, a green cord, a black, which is also called a hot wire, and then your white. And honestly, you just kind of tighten those in, the little screws here, and you push it in. You turn the power back on, and then you press the little Wi-Fi button in the middle, and it works right away. Honestly, you don't have to have it connected to the app to work, which is nice. So if you just want to have the USB-C and USB-A, but not really connected to your Wi-Fi and control it with the app and stuff, you can totally still do that. Like I said, the package I got was in a package of 4, and it connected in and worked really well. I'm already excited about being able to charge my cell phone on this, but also use the plugs for normal things as well. My wife was really excited because she can use her blow dryer, she can use other devices that she uses in the bathroom, and it just makes everything so much easier. I normally don't do products like this, but I ended up loving it. You can see right here, I mean, it fits flush onto the wall. It looks nice. Of course, maybe if you have black wall outlets, I'm sure that you can get a cover to go over this. You can see right here, I plugged it into the USB-A and it worked right away. I will admit, this outlet, I've had issues in the past. So I plugged in USB-C and it didn't work right away. However, I installed the other ones into some other outlets and it worked right away. I think it was just an issue with my plug. You can see right here in the app, I already added it. You got switch 1, 2, and switch 3. The USB-A and USB-C kind of work as one plug. Right here is where you can do your timers and things like that. And then I thought it was really neat and really different how you can just press the buttons and turn it on and off. Imagine if you have lamps in the bathrooms and other things like that. But right here you can set those schedules. Just turn it on and off like this. But overall, guys, it was really cool, easy to install, and I see myself using it quite a bit, especially with Alexa and Google. But yeah, guys, I'll leave a link in the description. Awesome product, really good, really easy to use. I love having the extra plugs, and yeah, guys, I'll catch you guys in the next one.